Tutorial 5. Regular launch of Sankalan 2.0 and import of AMRUT file. In this tutorial, we will learn how to import any AMRUT file previously clipped using the QGIS plugin to the Sankalan 2.0 mobile application. Let's get started. Open the Sankalan 2.0 application in your mobile phone. The home page of the application will be displayed with current location with a geofence boundary. To import the AMRUT file, click on the arrow icon located on the bottom navigation bar. A new screen will open up. Now, click on Choose AMRUT file. Navigate to the folder where you have saved your folder on your phone. The folder can be saved in your phone's memory or on your Google Drive. Choose the required AMRUT file. The file will be processed and a prompt will appear to enter the survey name. Input the name of the survey and proceed. To access the previously loaded survey in the application, click on the database icon in the bottom navigation bar to access the list of all the imported surveys. Click on the desired survey to open it. Thank you.